Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. I just wanted to quickly show you our 2015 Ford Focus hatchback. This vehicle is finished in a beautiful beige with a nice charcoal cloth interior. Rear seat space is well thought out with stadium seating, a lot of head space because of the hatchback setting. Leg space is great, and you got two cubbies on both sides for the passengers. This being a hatchback, you got a large opening for fitting anything for your regular IKEA trips or any instruments that you might be carrying around. 60-40 split at the rear, so you could fold them down individually based on your needs. It really opens up the interior of the car to cargo. Quick image here of the rims. Diving into the driver's side here, you got your window controls, your door controls. The driver's seat is manually adjustable for height and backrest adjustment. You got your cruise controls, media controls, Bluetooth. This car does come with Bluetooth. This car only has 47,324 kilometers at the time of filming. Fantastic mileage for this vehicle. You got your Bluetooth audio here, radio buttons. I'm going to show you quickly the backup camera. Come on down, you got your volume controls, your tuner controls. Here's your climate control. If you check it on out, you got regular climate control with heated seats for yourself and the passenger, as well as a heated steering wheel. USB is readily available, as well as a 12-volt adapter. Inside the glove box here, you have an auxiliary input, another 12-volt, and a USB. A standard shifter. And you got your light controls on the left side. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly show you what this 2015 Ford Focus has to offer for you. This vehicle would make the perfect first car, university car, commuter car. Great size for families and anybody that's just looking for a great value on a tighter budget. Once again, my name is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. We look forward to servicing you soon. Please reach out to us with any questions. Take care.